Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the life you've always wanted. Picture the moments of joy, the triumphs, and the deep sense of fulfillment. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Now open your eyes and ask yourself, what if that dream isn't as far away as it seems? What if you already hold the power to bring it to life? This power is called visualization, a simple yet transformative practice used by the most successful people in the world. Today, I'll show you not just how visualization works, but how it can unlock doors you never thought possible, leading you to achieve anything you set your heart on. Act 1. What is visualization? A science, not just a dream. Visualization is not about daydreaming. It's a mental rehearsal where you create vivid, detailed images of your goals in your mind. You picture yourself achieving them, living them, and embracing them as if they're already real. Here's what makes visualization so powerful. Your brain doesn't distinguish much between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. Research shows that imagining yourself succeeding activates the same parts of your brain as actually succeeding. This isn't magic, it's science. Visualization primes your mind for action and trains it to recognize opportunities that align with your goals. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil and nurturing it until it grows into reality. Act 2. Why visualization is life-changing. Successful people from every walk of life swear by visualization. Michael Phelps, the legendary swimmer, visualized every detail of his races before they happened, from the water's resistance to the way his body moved. Oprah Winfrey used vision boards to bring her dreams to life, manifesting success beyond what she imagined. Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a check for $10 million and visualized cashing it long before he made that money in Hollywood. These aren't just coincidences. These stories show that visualization is a tool that sets the foundation for greatness. It builds your confidence, sharpens your focus, and pushes you toward action. Act 3. How visualization works on a scientific level. Visualization works by engaging three crucial parts of your brain. The reticular activating system, RAS. This is your brain's filter. When you visualize, you tell your RAS what's important. Suddenly, opportunities and resources you might have ignored before become crystal clear. The amygdala. This is the emotional center of your brain. When you attach strong emotions like joy, pride, or excitement to your visualizations, you reinforce the importance of your goals. The prefrontal cortex. This is where planning and decision-making happen. Visualization strengthens this area, helping you map out the steps needed to turn your dreams into reality. When you practice visualization consistently, your brain starts aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. Act 4. The step-by-step guide to effective visualization. Here's how you can start visualizing your goals effectively. Step 1. Define your vision. Clarity is key. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? Why is it important to me? Be specific. Don't just visualize success. Picture the exact moment you achieve your goal. Step 2. Create a mental movie. Close your eyes and imagine a scene where your dream has come true. Let's say you want to run a marathon. Picture yourself crossing the finish line. Hear the crowd cheering, feel the sweat on your face, and let the pride wash over you. Step 3. Add emotions. Emotions are the fuel for visualization. Ask yourself, how does achieving this goal make me feel? What pride, joy, or gratitude will I experience? Immerse yourself in those feelings. Step 4. Use all your senses. Make the visualization as vivid as possible. Sight. What does your goal look like? Sound. What do you hear? Touch. What do you feel physically? Smell. What's in the air around you? Taste. Can you taste success? Step 5. Practice daily. Consistency matters. Spend 5-10 minutes every day visualizing your goals. Morning or night, make it a habit. Step 6. Pair visualization with action. Visualization is powerful, but action is essential. Use your visualizations to inspire and guide your steps. Act 5. Real-life transformations through visualization. The beauty of visualization is that it's for everyone, not just athletes or celebrities. Here are some examples. Sarah, a struggling student, visualized herself acing her exams and used that motivation to create a study plan. She went from failing grades to being a top performer. Carlos, an aspiring entrepreneur, imagined running a thriving business. He used that vision to stay focused, take risks, and build his company from scratch. Maya, recovering from heartbreak, visualized a future filled with love and joy. Her optimism led her to new opportunities and eventually a fulfilling relationship. Act 6. Common challenges and how to overcome them. It's natural to feel skeptical or struggle at first. Here's how to overcome common barriers. Challenge. I can't stay focused. Solution. Start small. Visualize for just 2 minutes a day and build up. Challenge. I don't believe my dreams are possible. Solution. Pair visualization with affirmations like, I am capable of achieving my goals. Challenge. I get discouraged when results don't happen fast. Solution. Remember, visualization is a long-term tool. Be patient and keep taking action. Act 7. Imagine your life transformed. Now take a moment to imagine your life transformed. Picture the goals you've been afraid to chase. See yourself achieving them one by one. Visualize the person you've always wanted to be, the person you're capable of becoming. The power to change your life lies within you. Visualization is your tool, your guide, your secret weapon. Use it wisely, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Remember, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands.